What's up, traders? So we all know how much I love trading Mara, but we don't actually ever cover Bitcoin that much in the actual channel. So today I want to go over Bitcoin as it hits another new milestone of $68,000. Now it did just hit $68,000 today, July 21st. It is Sunday and it is about 4 o'clock my time, or Mountain Standard Time. So guys, we trade Mara a lot. As you can see here, this thing is just saturated in trades, from buying and selling daily to swing trading overnight. You can see we have traded Mara for quite some time. Now, I did pull up Mara between May and currently where we are now, as well as Bitcoin right in May right here to where we are now. Now, what I want to showcase to you is the fact that Bitcoin was trading kind of like sideways here for a little while, and then I started trading Mara in this huge channel of downward trend and trading it now as it's starting to go up. This is called the 3 stages of reversal. You have your sell-off period or rejection phase. You have your consolidation where it stops creating lower lows and it starts trading sideways a little bit, finding support. And then you start seeing that confirmation period or that upward momentum where you want to be at. Now, Mara, on the other hand, same time frame. As you can see, Bitcoin sold off aggressively right here starting in June all the way to the beginning or about middle of July. Well, Mara, starting in June, didn't really trade all that much low. It actually just kind of traded within this same channel, consolidating for quite some time all the way through until July. Now, it finally caught this huge sell-off here, I think toward the end, this part right here, between June 30th and like July 5th. You can easily see between June 30th and July 5th, a huge sell-off here. And it happened all within just a few days. Now, this actually pulled back right around 17% total. Yeah, about 17%. So, it pulled back significantly and now has gone all the way up. Now that Bitcoin has seen all this upward momentum, Mara also has had a lot of upward momentum as well, going up as much as 42% in just a matter of a week. Same with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has actually gone up from lows to highs of about 25%. So you can easily see that Mara got about double the value trading Mara. It is only $24, so you can get into that a lot cheaper than $68,000. But either way, 25% with 1,000 in Bitcoin or 25% with Mara, it's the same, right? But Mara made 40% in just a few days. And guys, look where it is now. We ended the week on the 19th. So tomorrow's the 22nd on Monday, and we're easily going to see this thing go from the 19th, which was down here at 64,000. This moved up $4,000 or about 8%, which means Mara can push up easily 8 to 10% in the morning. 8 to 10% in the morning. So we'll be trading at, $27 to $28 levels. $27 to $28 is what you can expect to see Mara tomorrow if this stays going up where it is. Now, you may be watching this video, a week later, a couple days later, maybe you're watching it on Monday. But what you're going to want to do to keep this chart relevant is we are on a 4-hour chart for Bitcoin. It is showing signs of upward momentum here. And you're going to be able to potentially see this go back up to those levels of $73,000, another 7 to 8% increase. Now, Bitcoin Cash is something that we follow as well. And as you can see, it was kind of trailing in this channel here, got rejected to 288, and then pushed its way back up to $400 from $288. Now it's finding that consolidation, but this is where the catch comes, right? It's at $400. Look how many times it's hit $400 and got rejected. So $400 is going to be a crucial number to see this go higher. And if this doesn't necessarily go higher and follow with what Bitcoin is doing, then Mara may not follow as well, and they might get resisted at 27.30. So I'm excited to see what happens tomorrow on Monday. This can go as high as $34 though, because that's where it was trading in the past. So quite a few substantial channels and things to understand going into tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video on Bitcoin and just kind of my personal view on it. And I appreciate your guys' time. If you don't mind smashing that like button if I earned it. And if you see value in what I do here, definitely subscribe to the channel. Join our community of close to 100,000 members now. And connect with us. You can also see me trade live Monday through Friday at market open for about 30 minutes to an hour with you guys. Get inside my head, ask me questions, see what I'm doing, why am I buying and selling or adding to a position or cutting my losses. You can see all that in real time as I trade live with you guys in the morning. It's one of my favorite parts of the day. So also, see you next week too for our Sunday night stock talks. They're always coming out at 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time on Sunday nights. So you can definitely check that out. We talk about setups, plays, and different oversold companies that we see value in that are going to reverse and make us a lot of profit. I just released a video, 3 stocks with 20% ROI. Go check that video out after this. Join us for our live stream in the morning. And remember, let's end the year on a green note. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.